Well, the red carpet is done and dusted. The ceremony of BAFTA Cymru 2019 is underway. Let's meet the winners.
I wasn't expecting to win this, and it's really heavy.
I feel like I've done an absolute arm workout this evening.
It's a really lovely film to make. I'd have to go on buses and trains around Wales, have a fry up in a cafe, watch a band play. So to get nominated is brilliant.
I've loved everything you've done. It's amazing, especially, obviously, A Very English Scandal, which obviously you won the award for.
That was tonight, yes, I'm delighted. And yeah, I forgot to name on stage the man who wrote the book, John Preston, so thank you, John Preston, as well.
Lots of fabulous television. I mean, it was just incredible to see. And particularly proud to present the Best Actor award to Celyn Jones.
It's probably the highlight of the year, really, in Wales. You know, it is. Come on, it's fantastic.
Well, listen, if the boys bring back the World Cup, I think I'll get 2019 tattooed on my chest. It's been a good year. Grand Slam, this, I turned 40. You got to know when it's good.
Is your inner Nessa going to be coming out at the after party tonight?
Oh, love. I don't like being asked questions like that, all right?
Sorry.
I know you're standing there with your blonde hair and your purple dress.
It's all showbiz, isn't it? It's all make-believe, and once you throw yourself into it and remember it's make-believe and showbiz, it's brilliant.
Where we're staying in the hotel, we have a view over the whole city, and how vibrant it is tonight. Everybody's shopping like crazy, and everybody going to sports, and everybody coming here. It's like, is it always like this?
It's about 25 couples so far that we've married, and all the friends and family, and without them, we wouldn't have this.
I may get in touch, actually. I wouldn't mind getting my TV husband there, Sam Cook, may get in.
Yeah, I was going to jump in. I'm thinking both me and Luke are looking to get involved in our TV husband relationship.
Do it.
I am C-3PO, human cyborg relations.
And this is my counterpart.
And this is my counterpart, R2-D2.
Beep, 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 beep.
I'm out of a job. That's terrible.
Cheers, Anthony.